spring has sprung, right? Like, it is warm outside. Like, it always does this where spring comes and you're thinking like, what's it, like 70 degrees? Or maybe 60s. I can wear a jacket and layer like some cute looks, start wearing some dresses, got my feet done so I can start with having the toes out, right? But then it's like, it goes from spring like straight to summer, like 80 degrees, like it's hot. Like, so now you're confused. Like, I want to have the cute little jackets on that I got for spring, but now it's like straight summertime. But it does still be chilly like in the daytime and night. So now we're confused. What do I wear? Like, it's super hot and during the day, like it feels like summer, and now it's chilly. So I always carry a jacket with you, right? So I've been adding some pieces to my closet. When it becomes any season, I start trickling in the items, adding new pieces. Of course, we're going to continue to work in the items that we already have. We have quality pieces. Keep those items that you have, but now we're going to add in some new looks, some new pieces to go and mix and match with those looks. So don't mind my closet, it's a little junky right now, but I'm going to just show you all some new pieces that I got, right? Okay, so I just got this jacket, and if you saw my reel, then you probably already saw it. But I got this jacket from H&M. It is thick quality. I haven't even really looked at it all the way to see like all the qualities to it. But anyways, thick coat. I love the blue. This is a cute spring look. Cute spring look. And my look today, this is my Easter Sunday look. Yes, I had on this with a cute pump, and like, if you see my previous closet videos, I've had these probably since, when did I go? 2017, maybe? New York 2017. I got these, and it is 2024, and these babies, cause I don't wear them that often, only like springtime, but these are Jessica Simpson's, and they are still intact. Still love them. Still cute look. Anywho, moving right along. I just slammed them down like that. I just got this jacket. Good, thick, cute spring jacket. Of course, when it's 80 degrees, take it off. Hang it over your shoulders, or just wear it when early morning, or it starts getting cool, or those cooler days when it's in the 60s, cool 70s, 50s. You know, nice springy day. Trying to see what it says on here. It says it's recycled, so it means it's sustainable. It's all polyester, but it's all recycled. Recycled, shell, lining, exterior, double wear is all recycled. So we're all about the sustainable wear, making sure that we're recycling our clothing. I like it. It feels great. It has a lining inside. Nice lining. This is a size medium. I'll try it on for y'all. So one thing, if you saw my video, in the store, this jacket was like $50-something. They didn't have my size in store, so I went online. When I went online, it was $20 cheaper. $20 cheaper online. So always check online. That is one tip right there. It's a style tip, clothing tip. Always check online, because you are most likely, or you can find a cheaper deal. My son came in a video. I can't remember. Don't mess me up. Anyway, speaking of, so I've had this Telfar bag, this blue Telfar bag for, I don't know what year I bought this, but I've had it for like a year or two, maybe more. I don't know. But when I got this jacket, I was like, oh, that's going to pair perfectly with this jacket, color on color, as you see. So I'm going to try it on so you can see it. Once again, when I went to the store, I think I got a large, and it was way too big. This is a medium. And when I grabbed the medium, I keep getting interrupted in my video, so I lock my door. All right, so moving right along. Let me see if y'all can see me. This is it. Of course, I wouldn't wear it with this, but hey, you could. Matte color on color. Boom. I'm just showing it so y'all can see it. This is a cute spring, like little bomber type. I love it. It gives me, as y'all know, if you know, if you've been watching me, I'm a tweed girl. It gives me tweed. It looks tweed, even though it's not, but it's giving me tweed vibes, and it's so, like, from afar, you would think this is probably like tweed. But this is really cute. I like it. So this is one of my new collections. I can dress it up, dress it down, put it with a dress, put it with some jeans, dress it down with some sneakers, or you can dress it up with some heels, put it with sandals, however you want to rock it. But this is like, yes, I was feeling this for spring, for sure. On those more cooler times, maybe in the morning and night. Think about wearing this. We're about to go to LA for vacation this week. So I was thinking about, well, I am carrying this along with me for maybe a dinner look during the day. Was chilly. Some of the days that we're there, it's gonna be chilly, which is gonna be, you know, you want to go to Cali, you're hoping it'd be warm, but I think it's actually warmer here on the East Coast, here in North Carolina, than it is over in Los Angeles on the West Coast. But I'm definitely carrying this. This is definitely a look. What did I do with my blue bag? Oh. So I'm about to start packing. So I'm just looping everything together so it already be ready. Alright, so here's another look. I've been on at H&M lately. Right? This is another look. Got this H&M. This is a medium as well. But it's kind of, I put it on the other day and it's kind of big. I know everybody's kind of like in an oversized look. I'm sorry, y'all are like tilted. Bring it closer. I don't know that word. Anyway, everybody's in an oversized look. But I like oversized, but I still like want to get it a little fitted. So I went to a medium, and that this is a medium, but I feel like I could do a small. And I don't think there was any other sizes. But I like this whole look. This is really cute. I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to put under it, because a full see-through look, and I don't want to mess up the look by putting just like a regular t-shirt under it. Maybe like a cute tank or a bodysuit. This was originally $65.99. Got it for $49.99. And let me see. This is 95% recycled. Polyester to shell the exterior. So we're all about sustainable. Look, we're all about the recycled. If you see anything, I have posted before about how fast fashion, definitely, if you've ever seen where in the landfills where it's just clothing just piled up, and how we're just so, you know, not, this is where this all came about. If you see so many clothing, we are so wasteful in our material and our clothing. And for the people who are making this, you know, a lot of child labor in those other countries are happening with making our clothing. And with fast fashion, it's just throwing it out, and it's just landfills of just clothing, and it's just, you know, that's not good for the environment. So now we are really big on recycled, where that's also why I'm really big on quality as well. So you're not just purchasing and using fast fashion and throwing that stuff out. Of course, we give it to Goodwill, but if they don't want it, if it goes to trash, then it's just going into, you know, landfills. So we are all about recycling and reusing our materials, so we can continue to have sustainable wear, right? So that's another look. Added to my spring wear. If you know, you've already seen this one. I haven't worn this one yet, but the whole flower, I'm big on the flower, the big roses right now. If you just saw my previous video for Good Friday, I had the big pink flower. I have some, let me see if I can go get it. I don't know what my husband did with it. I just saw him wash it because I wore it the other day. But somewhere. But anyway, I have the big pink one. I have a black one like it. And I have this white one as well. So that's definitely the spring looks for me. Yay, can't wait to wear it because I'm just like, I love floral. Floral print is one of my favorite. I'm a spring girl. I was born in spring. I love to garden. Just little fun facts about me. So it comes out and exudes in my personality and exudes in my fashion. So spring is the time that I'm just like ready. Yay, feet done, new looks, adding new looks to the closet, and I'm ready to wear. So always comment which new looks are you excited about the spring. What are the new trends? What new colors? And if you want me to show you all any new new anything, like any new trends. I've shown you trends, but there's more for spring coming out, more new colors. I definitely go to boutiques and just look around, and I will be posting some reels as well. So some new looks coming out. So until next time.